Malayo pa, pero malayo na. That is where we stand today. Yan po ang sitwasyon natin ngayon. We recognize that this has been a difficult and demanding process. But we also recognize how much we have already uncovered. Marami na tayong naabot sa mga nakaraang linggo. Today, we share a quiet sense of accomplishment as we recognize and honor the distance we have traveled since we first began. Saksi tayong lahat. Marami tayong pinagdaanan. Our very first hearing was on March 2, where we established sufficiency in form. Sumunod ang March 4 for sufficiency in substance. At sa puntong yon, we asked the Vice President to file her answer. And she did. At ang nakapirma, 16 na abogado, 16 lawyers. Pero ang answer na isinumite, halos 10 pages lamang. At nakatutok lang sa mga technicalities, sa mga paligoy-ligoy, bagay na ikinagulat ng marami dahil sa totoo lang, hindi naman yon ang hinahanap natin. It was an answer that really just avoided the questions. Kaya naman, noong March 18, we determined that the complaints allege sufficient grounds for impeachment. Sumunod ang hearing sa March 25, kung saan we settled the preliminary matters, most especially ang pag-issue ng mga subpoena. Then came the marathon hearings of April 14, April 22, and April 29. Doon tayo nakinig sa mga resource person natin. We heard the evidence. We examined the evidence. At sa mga araw na iyan, doon natin naramdaman ang bigat ng ating ginagawa.